In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy files in Google Drive effectively. Whether you're backing up important documents or need a duplicate for collaboration, mastering this simple process can enhance your productivity. Let's walk through the steps to make this as seamless as possible for you. First things first, let's get to Google Drive. Open your web browser of choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and type in the URL bar, drive.google.com. Hit Enter or Return, and this will navigate you directly to Google Drive, provided you're already signed in to your Google account. If you're not signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials before proceeding. Now, you're in Google Drive's main interface. You'll see all your folders and files stored in the cloud. Browse or use the search function to find the specific file you want to copy. Got your file? Excellent! The next step is to pinpoint the file by right-clicking on it. This action opens a context menu with numerous options tailored to file management. From this context menu, you want to select the Make a Copy option. It might be tempting to consider other options. However, for our purpose of duplicating a file, Make a Copy is the way to go. As soon as you click it, Google Drive automatically generates a duplicate file right in the same folder. You'll see this new file labeled as Copy of, followed by the original file's name. One key highlight to note here is that this copied file retains all the permissions and settings of the original file. This can be particularly useful when you want to ensure the duplicate is accessible to the same people who had access to the original. Want to give it a more specific title? No worries. You can easily rename the new copy by right-clicking on it, selecting Rename, and typing in the desired name. Press Enter, and your file is now aptly titled to fit your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a file in Google Drive. This straightforward process ensures that you always have the files you need neatly backed up or ready for editing without risking the original. Remember, as your collection grows, keeping everything organized by periodically reviewing and sorting your files will help maintain clarity and efficiency. Thank you for joining me in this simple yet important task. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might also benefit from it.